see they work on them.
So now when we could expect
very soon.
Very soon.
By God's grace next month.
By God's grace next month. Hallelujah, somebody. Now, more face with Baba K. Tell us about the show we will happen this weekend on Sunday, precisely 26th.
Now my comedy show, where I titled Baba K Uninterrupted. Comedy, music, and stage play all together now one get for inside one package. You know, most times people they go watch strictly comedy show or strictly music show, but now
only comedy and music.
Now
so you want to put everything together.
All the gbogbo to go one arrange and one place put us all yeah. When I can't watch, I want them. And on Sunday here, the thing.
Now, what make you want to? Because the usual comedy show, you know, like the likes of AY Live, all those things. Now you say, okay, artists go perform, comedians go come, crack up joke, perform, normal thing. Now, what make you not do that one? One can't do the one we get to do with stage play and comedy and music at the same time.
First of all, those three things, those three forms of art, now the three things where I represent.
Okay.
First of all, I be thespian. I study theater arts for school.
Okay.
You know, so the stage play part, now me bringing that part of theater arts where I study for school, put them on stage, make it not be like I just go waste 4 years.
You waste money. Therefore, use and take by dog.
You know, use and take. That's why I don't want to do that one. And it don't take really where I want to do. It don't take for a very long time. I never do anything stage play.
You never do before, or you don't take.
Never do for a very long time. I never do. I don't come out for almost 5 years now. I never do anything stage play. And so I just feel like, see, I can't not say, okay, the law for stage play don't they gradually they come back. Gradually don't they come back. So I said, okay, make me say put my own, make I take support to see how we go bring back that love where people get back in the days where person feel conveniently go outside, go watch stage play without music or comedy and all those things. That's why it's okay. I go do stage play, I go do comedy, and I go do music so that when you come, you will like stage play. You enjoy
stage play. You will like comedy. You go enjoy comedy. You will like music too. You go enjoy music.
A lot of things, apart from those three where I even mentioned, poetry, spoken words, and dance, go there. So now full package. And be the show, full package.
But where this one they happen? Because me and this mumu here, they say na DDC. Me tell us na DCC.
No.
It's na DDC.
Now
if I say na DDC.
Now Corneli want to turn to political party now. You go be like the PPC or anything.
Now where they happen?
It happen for Amu Odofin First Act area for people where they first stack, and we just decide to more carry and come for them. They happen for David Christian Center for Amu Odofi.
Now the same show now in this moment they do DJ for now.
That him now. So I don't even know the name.
Can you imagine? Show where they do. Wait, you keep quiet. I will stone you now. I will stone you kid now. Show where they do DJ for you. Don't know.
He copied. Who copied it? Somebody copied it.
Okay, now they do.
Is it PDP?
Yes, it is.
Now, I bet Mo could take this call. Hello from JOS. Hello?
Hello.
My brother, how is you?
Adeo.
The law.
I'm okay.
How is your ministry?
I'm okay.
Oh, yeah, my brother.
How on a day now?
We do. Anything
Are you with me?
No, I'm with you. I am with you.
Okay. Katim no day today?
No, Katim go America. Like, she want charge phone. Every time she dey charge phone, he not the thing the quick die for here. Now it's okay.
Easy bit at the hello.
Yes, boss. I hear you, boss. Good evening.
All right. Ledu.
Who be that?
The full family.
Now the law now.
I hear one bed. Come, I don't want to hear your voice.
Okay.
One woman, I don't want to hear your voice.
That's my daughter.
How old is your daughter? My sister, how old is you?
They do wait.
Talk to who want to hear your voice? I beg, make I talk to who want to talk to me. Wait, let me talk to your daughter.
After I go give her, bet you talk to her.
Hurry up.
You I want to suggest.
What's in me that?
Na Baba K where they there the hell.
Baba K dey here. Doyinsola today here. It's actually.
I bet Baba K, you be correct comedian, and I like your comedy. So many of my friends, you know, we have been in an event that where you can't do, and we appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
But I beg, no verse. It gets up to what I notice. Why I won't make you try correct.
Okay.
You see, sometimes you joke and you crack joke with God and the Bible, like that. That comedy, you know, scene where you just showed
you
now.
You not make heaven.
you see, the way you go refer to Abraham's, factory and all that.
Don't mind now.
No good.
It's not good.
No good. When you just leave it at that level of human to human something, don't put God inside. You understand?
Now. Okay, the Lord, it's not going to make heaven.
Okay, you might not know, but the thing is affecting your...
Yes. Hello?
The thing caught.
Hello? Hey. Oh! I tell this guy, you see, you will not make heaven.
Stop!
Good evening, Okute. Okute.
Good evening,
Stone, are you with him, man?
I am with you.
I'm going to hear you get Doyinsola for inside studio. You want Mariam? How much be your money will go free drop?
I know Maria, I know go pay for this one.
You not go pay. You know money not rich.
She said I got the aroma there this year now.
So now
that one they fear you alone.
They fear me when I got the aroma there. You know the
Oh my brother, I know what's in your mind. You are very evil.
No. You don't hear God's voice now. No, I almost you. You don't hear God's voice now.
Okay, Stone, how far waiting happen? Anything for the boys?
So, I the for comedy. You know, that man talk last thing and then you know you.
we could not use God's name again. That's what he talk.
That matter, I no go get anything to talk about them. But now, auntie, the thing I want to talk about.
Okay.
She dey hear you now.
And she dey hear me, so the song no bad though. But this one which they talk say na God voice that. Auntie now, auntie tell us.
Anyway, Stone, thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, I beg. Now our last call for this evening. Make we talk to Babake and Doyinsola. We'll not. Okay, we'll take the last call now. After this last call, no call again. Hello, Peter.
Hello.
Peter, are you with me?
I'm with you now.
Now, who you want marry? Babake or Doyinsola?
You want to
I want marry that girl. Where they there?
She dey here. How much you go pay?
Make she top price now.
I am Doyinsola talk price. When woman don't clear throat, my brother run.
Forget it.
Forget them. Peter, no worry. Now die, you go die.
Forget it.
No just price, no worry. Hope say they come back show on Sunday for Festac.
Hello.
Hope say they come back show on Sunday.
I never get a invitation now.
You go buy ticket now. You go how much?
Now there are people who want records with this. So ticket now very small.
Very small money.
1,500 regular, 5K VIP. Table for 8, 60K.
My brother, you mean say you don't get 1.5?
No, I want 5 day guarantee now.
Now the ticket with that. Me say if I go there.
I'm
gonna see you there. Bye bye, Peter. Good night. Make sure say you bath before you sleep. Now, we don't know where it will happen. David Christian Center. Yeah. Now, who be the artists who go perform for the show?
Plenty people there will go perform. For the comedians, Godons go there.
Okay.
Eleno go there. MC Shakara go there. Akporo go there. Odogu go there. Me myself, I go there on stage do my comedy thing. Many more comedians of the Federal Republic go there. Even our guest Ali Baba go also there that day.
Okay.
For the comedy. For music part, we'll get people like Joe Praise go there. Nicky Lauye go there. Isaac Gerald go there. And plenty more musicians. Then the stage play, we know the people who go there now. They do here self go there on top the stage play things. Me myself go there. Lolo one go there the stage play. So now no suppose miss them because all this as far as saying they do go there the stage play. Can't see all the manifest. All this one they see for here.
Now, what is it bit go do that day?
Now go be the official DJ, even if you know to know the name of the venue. We go forgive and small. That means say we go touch in balance.
Now, for those who go come for this show on Sunday, now what it make them expect?
Well, we say the title of the show now Uninterrupted.
Okay.
So come enjoy uninterrupted comedy, uninterrupted music, uninterrupted stage play. In fact, the fun now uninterrupted fun.
You don't say tickets too.
My brother.
Can they pity you?
They try, they sell the ticket.
Because you're not black like this before.
Make I from knee down for them, I made them buy this ticket. Because this thing a very serious matter. If you not knee down for them, I take up Beguna.
buy ticket.
Did they record this
Did
part?
they record them? Yes.
Okay. After the visit, they did this part come out.
Okay.
I used go beg una. Ticket regular 1.5.
Recharge card.
VIP 5K.
5,000.
Table for 8. 60K. I dey hear somebody they tell me say why table for 8 go be 60K. Say he go carry his own table come from his own house. No bother, we get enough table. I just go beg you, we get enough table.
Anyway, tickets, you don't hear it now. For join for Babake Uninterrupted, we go happen for David Christian Center for Amur Dolphin for Festac Town area. Regular 1,500 naira, VIP 5,000, very cheap.
Very cheap.
Table for 8, 60,000 naira. Babake just marry. Biko.
And I even forget to tell them that part. I used to go beg now before my landlord throw me and my wife.
He just married and rent go soon due.
What did you say? He don't due.
Oh, he don't due. Because the house where in there as bachelor. Now that house is still
Not be that one.
Eh?
Not be that one.
Not be that. Okay. But if you just married now, why you never reach for your rent? Now
Somebody just tell me say make I enter there.
Oh, okay.
Say in rent.
Go soon expire. Okay.
The place makes sense. Now I can't enter. But now when the rent won't expire, I need to continue.
Okay. Easy bit. People will come. All those guests will come see you. Like Hafsat, me.
Easy bit will be outside.
Let me ask you though.
Yeah. Tell them they buy ticket to outside.
You know all the women. You know all the women.
Should they go come? They will come to vacation that then at least we go see, we go turn up, we go, we'll get good, good groove. Besides the normal
talk women matter now. Easy beat intonation just change. We go turn up, we go do all the bling things.
So we go turn up now, at least play the normal group jams and those people we know every day, we know they too close, we go get relate very well.
Since when you never to get money, you not go buy the full sell this thing.
For my show.
No, we'll sell them. We'll sell them.
You might explain first, they do anything.
We'll sell them.
Every time where they watch Una show, all Una guests, especially musicians, where they come, all of them go wear bling, wear eyeglass. When they tell me say I go do this show today, I can't think, say, what I go do to take package myself? Go now call one upcoming musician for my street, say, guy, come.
Give me.
Every morning they pass with one bling, bring I come my bag, I get interview for TV. I just got beg. Make they no go hold me for street. Come break the second leg. John man, know the one where they do me now.
Now, Doyinsola, before I come up from the studio, now I'm waiting. Those people will be your fans already. Okay, now for this song, you get one competition where you do for Instagram. Tell us about the competition.
Na chicken money, little money, na 50,000 naira.
Yeah?
That's chicken money.
We want compared to
Add 10,000 to write.
I don't buy table for 8. Buy 10,000, not buy table for 8. Okay.
you go just download the song. It dey on top the internet. Just type Doyinsola me.
Okay.
Bamidele by Doyinsola me,
Okay.
and you go get the song. Download the song. Copy DY Honey on Instagram. DYHO.
Okay, then your handle.
WNIE. That's my handle on Instagram.
DY Honey.
Yes.
Honey.
On Instagram, and just do the
Singing,
video. Yes,
dancing.
sing along, or you can sing or dance.
That means if we plenty, now so you go give all of us 50-50.
No be so. Now the person will get the highest light.
Okay, the person when they like your own pass.
When they like your own pass, now you go walk away with the money.
Who do now?
Go.
Who do now? No, not
The money no go do now.
Maybe we do this.
Download the song quick.
Download. I don't already download
The song done here already.
Now, Babake, if people want to buy your ticket, now where they go see your ticket?
If you get time for on top VConnect, www.deals.vconnect.com, if you get the ticket online, and if you still get time for kemu.com.ng. Those are the two online platforms where if you get them. Okay. We no begin to put them for outlets because we know say as Lagos State they be. So on that day, just in case if you buy them for online, if you just come the venue, definitely the tickets go day available for the venue. If you still know if you do them and you want me to do special delivery for you, just call 080-675-16329.
My brother, calm down, call the number. You they look for money, they rush, they call number. Call us
the first one. 080
Bam.
675 16329.
So if they call this number now, if they will carry tickets, go meet them where they
for where they outside, apart from Lagos. I no call from outside Lagos, no call, especially from Borno side. No worry, just buy them online. No need to call us. Buy it online.
Anyway, before coming for inside studio, quickly, Doyinsola, what to make your fans expect from your music? As in, apart from this one, okay, you don't say your video they come out next month. What to be the things when they say your fans supposed to expect from you?
We're working on a remix of Bamidele.
With who?
Then, we still there on top that one.
You don't want name names.
I don't want to give any name now. We still there on top.
With a single.
I don't know to say.
With this, you
That
don't.
is a single.
Naneju.
It's a single.
With a single.
Naneju, we go feature.
With a single. Easy be the sing.
I
Easy
don't
be
see him.
that line of that song. Do it for me.
All right.
That song where you do that time.
All right.
Yeah. You see that? You see this part for this music. Now you go to shout. All right. All right. Then him go to shout.
I'm gonna do chicken no the cry for night.
Oh my God.
Chicken not the cry for night. Then you come to shout. Bamidele. Then you come shout. Chicken not the cry for night. That your part.
All right.
All right. Song done full now.
I've been
And the song will win award. And then when we do video, they are fatter. Anyway, for those who want to follow you on top Twitter, Instagram, Facebook now, what's in
It's
your
still
handle?
the same handle. DYHONNIE. DY Hunning.
For Instagram, for Facebook,
Instagram,
and then
for
for
Facebook,
Twitter.
for Twitter.
Okay, but okay, for those who want to follow you on top Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, what's in your handle?
For Twitter, just search for Baba K, and the Baba K na BABAHKAY. On top Instagram, still Baba K _K.
Okay.
So you just get on sharply.
Okay, anyway, double twilight all of we don't call us this evening on top of the show. Sorry, say we'll not fit take plenty calls because of say we guys here. Everything will be okay and Doyinsola let me get to talk this evening. That make us not to take plenty calls. And then double twilight all of we send tweet messages as well. General Indo will see you and plenty of other people say send tweet messages. Thank you for your tweet messages. Until tomorrow, we Pastor Ian you go there here. Me, Pastor Ian and Easy Beat will go there for Inside Studio. Thank you for chook out on top things we concern relationship matter. Until then, no, good night.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.